us go on and spill this already spilled juice. Guys, Leeroy Sitambe and Motion Diki have a video asking Guti uphi Mihlali. And it looks like they are making fun of Mihlali's situation. It's alleged that Mihlali has reported to say she is seeing a psychologist based on the mental issues that she has. Maybe it could be from the relationship or the breakup, I don't know. But what I know is that Leeroy has turned against Mihlali. And Mihlali is the in joke now. Now, people are like, hey, men are cruel, men are what, but people never address the issue. When men are laughing, when women are laughing with these men, laughing at another woman, because there was a point where Mary Jane was a laughing stock, and Mihlali was part of that. Now, tables have turned, and you all want us to feel sorry for Mihlali? But all I can say is Mihlali uyakowisha mujolo akunakuthi umuhle kangakanani mujolo hauna bona mujolo hauna VIP class papa hauna hore he ke go VIP section mujolo wa trapa mujolo ke mujolo. Look at this video, but most importantly, like, share, and subscribe. Let us grow this 2 subscriber community and take it to 100.
They must know. Oh, they could.
Uphi uMihlali? Where's Mihlali? Ubani uMihlali? Uphi uMihlali? Yeah.